I welcome you all for the today's session about the digital signal processing, the first module. I am Mahadev Yash, Assistant Professor, Gosya College of Engineering, Ramanagaram. Today, we'll be concentrating on IDFT problem, that is inverse discrete Fourier transform problem. One of the simple problems, what we can just find out in the examination is find IDFT of the following sequence. So three problems we have taken here. We'll just solve two. The third one you can just solve by yourself. First one what we have is x of k. X of k is 4, 0, 0, 0. So how to solve? We have a definition of IDFT given by x of n is equal to 1 by n, summation of k is equal to 0 to n minus 1, x of k, wn to the power of minus kn. So from the given x of k, we have got n is equal to 4. And then we have to expand that but summation value. We get x of n as k is 0. So w4 to the power of 0 into n. X of k is 1. X of 1, w4 to the power of minus 1 into n. K is 2. X of 2, w4 to the power of minus 2n. Here k is 3. X of 3 into w4 to the power of minus 3n. Now, since there are k values as 4, we have to find for the n values. So, n is starting from 0. So, x of 0 is wherever n is there, we just substitute it as 0. What we are going to get it? Since anything to the power of 0 is always 1. So, if we observe the first one, if we observe the first one, we got 4 into 1. Since the remaining three terms are 0, the product terms, so all term becomes 0. So x of 0 is 1. Same way, for n is equal to 1. So x of n, the expansion we have there. Now wherever n is 1, you substitute that. Now the first term of w to the 4 to the power of minus 0, with 0 is just 0. So since the three index terms are 0, we got it as 0 there. So 4 into 1. So x of 1 value is 1 again. Now, similarly, we have to solve for the second term for n is equal to 2. So x of n, we have this particular expression 1 by 4 into x of 0 into w4 to the power of minus 0n, x of 1 w4 to the power of minus 1n, x of 2 w4 to the power of minus 2n, x of 3 w4 to the power of minus 3n. Now, wherever n is there, substitute it as 2. So we got it as w4, that is 4 into w4 to the power of minus 0. And since all the three index terms are 0, it becomes 0. So again, we got x of 2 as 1. Now, similarly, we have to do it for x of 3. Now, since all the three index terms are 0 and we are getting the same value, so x of 3 also is 1. So, finally, for a given x of k value, we have got x of n as 1, 1, 1. So, this is how we have to solve the IDFT value there. Okay. Now, same way, let us solve for the second problem, x of k as 4 minus 2j 0 plus j2 or 2j. So to solve this, again, we have to remember the definition of IDFT. X of n is equal to 1 by n. Summation of k is equal to 0 to n minus 1. X of k, w into the power of minus kn. Now again, from the given problem, we have n is equal to 4. Expand the summation. We have got x of n as 1 by 4. X of 0, w4 to the power of minus 0n. X of 1, w4 to the power of minus 1n. X of 2, w4 to the power of minus 2n. X of 3, w4 to the power of minus 3n there. Okay. Now let us see the n is equal to 0 value. When n is equal to 0, wherever n is there, you have to substitute in the given x of n value. So we have got w4 to the power of minus 0, w4 to the power of minus 0. So since all the power sums are 0, it becomes 1. Now here, the coefficient of x1 is minus, that is the coefficient x1 is, value is minus j2, x3 value is plus j2. So we have to just substitute that. When you substitute that, we can just check it out what we have got 1 by 4, 4.1 minus j2 into 1, 0 into 1 plus j2 into 1. So minus j2 and plus j2 gets cancelled. So remaining is 1 by 4 into 4, 4 get cancelled. So we have got x of 0 as 1 there. Now same way we have to find out for n is equal to 1. Okay. Now for n is equal to 1, in the given expression, we have to solve the value. So x of 1 is equal to 1 by 4, w4 to the power of minus 0, it becomes 1, minus j2 into w4 to the power of minus 1 into 1, 0 into w4 to the power of minus 2 into 1, plus j2 into w4 to the power of minus 3, 1. So w4 to the power of minus 1 is e raised to minus j 2 pi by 4 into minus 1. This is a total factor value. So 2 and 4 gets cancelled with 2. So we have got cos pi by 2 plus j sin pi by 2. Cos pi by 2 is 0, j sin pi by 2 is 1. So it becomes plus j. Similarly, w4 to the power of minus 3 is cos 3 pi by 2 plus j sin 3 pi by 2. So since cos is 0, sin is minus 1, so it becomes minus j. Now wherever this particular w4 value to the power of minus 1 and w4 to the power of minus 3 is there, substitute the values. Whereas since the other term is 0, so what we get? X of 1 is equal to 1 by 4, 4 into 1 minus j2 into j plus 0 plus j2 into minus j. So what we get? So it becomes j square term there. So 4 minus j square 2 plus 0 minus j square 2. So j square is 1 minus 1. Substitute that. We have got 4 plus 2 plus 2. So denominator and numerator get cancelled and the value remaining is x of 1 is 2. Same method we have to solve it for n is equal to 2. So in the given expression of x of n as it is written here, you just substitute the n as 2. So what we are going to get? So w4 to the power of minus 2. So if you observe 1 by 4, 4 dot w4 to the power of minus 0 minus j2 w4 to the power of minus 1 into 2, 0 into w4 to the power of minus 2 into 2 plus j2 into w4 to the power of minus 3 into 2. So wherever w4 to the power of minus 2 is there, what we are going to get is 4, 4 again, 2 and 4 and minus 2 get cancelled. So we get cos pi. Cos pi is nothing but minus 1. So w4 to the power of minus 4 is 1. And w4 to the power of minus 6 can be written as w4 to the power of minus 4 into w4 to the power of minus 2. So where w4 to the power of minus 4 is 1, w4 to the power of minus 2 is minus 1, as we are just check it out there. Substitute all these values in the above expression. So we get x of 2 is equal to 1 by 4, 4 dot 1 plus minus j into 2 into minus 1 plus 0 plus j 2 into minus 1. So when we expand that, so we get 4 plus j2 plus 0 minus j2. So plus j term and minus j term gets cancelled. So remaining is x2 of 2 is x of 2 is 1. So the for n is equal to 3, substitute that. So 1 by 4, 4 into w4 to the power minus 0 minus j2 into w4 to the power minus 1 into 3, 0 into w4 to the power minus 2 into 3 plus j2 into w4 to the power of minus 3 into 3. So what is w4 to the power of minus 3 is, we have got cos 3 pi by 2. So cos 3 pi by 2 is minus 0, that is 0. J sin 3 by 2 is minus 1, so it becomes minus j. Whereas the other term is 0, no need to worry. Then w4 to the power of minus 9, minus 9 can be written as w4 to the power of minus 4 into w4 to the power of minus 4 into w4 to the power of minus 1. So which is nothing but 1. So w4 to the power of minus 1 is plus j. So substitute these values in the above expression. What we get? We get x of 3 as 1 by 4 into 1 plus minus j 2 into minus j plus 0 plus j2 into plus j. When you multiply that, we have got it as j square 2 plus 0 plus j square 2. What is j square minus 2? There is j square is minus 1. So when you substitute the j square as minus 1, it becomes 4 minus 2 minus 2. So it becomes 0. So x of 3 is 0. So final value what we got for the second value is x of n is 1, 2, 1, 0. This is how we have to find the IDFT, and the final value of the IDFT is x of n is equal to 1, 2, 1, 0. Okay. So like this, we have to solve the problem. In the same way, we have taken some as assignment, x of 3, the third value, we can take as an assignment, and the solution for that one, I have just shown it here. You verified by doing the same method what we have just discussed now. Okay. Thank you. So if you like the video, try to subscribe to my channel for the further information. Click on the bell icon to get the further updation there. Thank you once again.